Hello, I am Tristen and I'm going to tell you about my fit bike today. Okay, ask me some questions.
Well, what do you want me to ask you?
Well, the top tube.
Top tube. What's the top tube, Tristen?
The top metal bar on the bike. The frame, part of the frame. It's a 20.75. It's all stock, except for my pegs.
Or why is it all stock? Didn't you have a bike that wasn't all stock? What'd you do to that bike?
I bent that bike. That bike's a piece of crap now. But this bike's all stock. Everything on it is how it came. Got the 2.25 rims. Got my Odyssey pedals. Got my 28 inch handlebars. Got a brake on it. Got some pegs on it, just put on a few minutes ago.
What are the pegs? What type of pegs are they?
What are they? Oh, wait.
Did you forget?
I forgot. Let me check real quick. They're both colonial. Colonial. My mind just kind of went blank right there for a second. So, yeah.
Did you tell us what kind of bike it was?
It's a fit bike. Fit bike M2. You know, me riding my fits. Second fit.
Logo.
25, 29, or 25 sprocket in front, 9 in the back. Spokes are still getting good. Not loose.
Damn, it's cold out here. Alright, well, that was Tristen's little bike check, but what we really wanted to talk to you about was actually what we're going to be doing tomorrow morning. We're going to be going, where are we going to be going?
Around Salida.
Around Salida. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to be making videos and posting them, you know, along the way, because I have
grinding,
Wi-Fi.
Tricks, grinding.
We got the wax.
Wax.
Almost.
Candle wax.
Wax. We're going to be
works
grinding.
Substitute for wax. Candle wax.
And I just want to give a little shout out to my friends Everardo and Forrest Walker from Merced, California, because they were the first ones to actually look at the video and comment on it. So I was just going to give them a little shout out. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.
Fit Bike Life.